Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your eFootball account and then log in again. So for that, open your game eFootball, then go to extras. Okay, so after going to extras, choose the option support. After choosing the option support, then click on link data. Okay, then press link Konami ID. Okay, so after clicking on that, something will pop up on the browser. Press proceed. Then here will be some option, register your email address and password. As we are going to recover it, so we are going to use the last option. So if you have forgotten your password, so please choose the option forget your password and write your email here, then write the captcha code here and press next. Instruction will be sent to your email. Check your email and then simply follow the instruction and recover it from or by using the email. Okay, so after you recover your account, back to the game again, then again press link Konami ID. Again the website will be pop up. Press proceed. Again choose the last option. Here, just simply provide the Konami ID or the email address you're using or you have used to sign in into the Konami ID and the password, then press login and it will be done. By this way, you can log in into your Konami ID and also you can recover your Konami ID. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like it.